Hey friends, if you wish to enable auto login on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So there's a command netplwiz net. So just copy this command. I've shared it in the description section. Press the Windows key and the R key together. Paste this command here and hit enter. This will open the user's accounts window. Just uncheck this box which says users must enter a username and password for this computer. Now, if you have multiple users, then you will have to do it for multiple users. Click on apply and you can set a password. Click on OK and then click on apply and then on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.